This is day 2, and this is what they're doing. They're knocking over the water, and they're wetting up all of the shavings in the barrel. And I guess they've been eating a lot and pooping a lot. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do with this water situation. But so far, they've been doing good. They're active, they're eating, they're drinking, they're playing, they're sleeping. They're not that scared anymore, which is a good thing. And there's always that one in a group that's a little introverted, doesn't really like to socialize that much. But there's times that she does go and play. But other than that, she likes to have her alone time, which is perfectly fine. We added a cardboard, so it'll be easy for us to pick up and clean up every day. But other than that, I mean, that's basically what we have to do every day is pretty much clean up and put new shavings every day and just watch them.